In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an e-commerce store on Weebly. Whether you're an entrepreneur wanting to explore online selling or a small business looking to expand your reach, Weebly provides an intuitive platform to set up an e-commerce store with ease. First, let's navigate over to Weebly's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on My Site. This is where you'll manage all parts of your website and add new sites as well. Next, we're going to add a new site to your Weebly account. Click on the Add Site button to kickstart the creation process. As you proceed, you'll be presented with two options. For our purpose today, select I need a website with an online store. This ensures your site has all the necessary e-commerce features from the start. Now let's give your store a unique identity. Type in the name you've chosen for your store. This not only personalizes your online presence, but helps brand your storefront for your customers. Once you have settled on a name, click the Continue button to proceed. This is your first step into making the store truly yours. In the next step, you'll be asked if you're currently selling. Click on Yes, I'm currently selling, which helps Weebly tailor its setup process to users like you who are ready to dive into the online market. As we continue, indicate your selling preference by selecting I'm selling online only. This choice tailors your website to focus on online market exposure, maximizing your potential reach to customers. Now you'll decide on the kind of items you plan to sell. Choose the types of products that best represent your offerings, whether it's physical goods, digital items, or a mixture of both. This will help optimize your site settings and features for the kind of goods you're offering. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click Continue. Now indicate your location by selecting it from the options provided. Setting your location is crucial for tax and shipping calculations, so don't skip this step. After selecting your location, click Continue once again. With the basics covered, it's time to get creative. Click on Design Now. To start crafting the visual elements of your store, here you will have the opportunity to choose a template that reflects the style and vibe of your brand. Weebly offers an array of templates designed to cater to different business needs and aesthetics. Once you have decided on the perfect template, click on Start Editing. Here's where the real fun begins. Customizing your site layout, adding product listings, and personalizing your brand's appearance. With these steps, you're on your way to joining the vibrant world of online commerce. Congratulations on setting up your Weebly e-commerce store, and best of luck in crafting a shop that leaves a memorable mark on your customers.